Good day, Doctor. My name is Laushini with metric number 287801. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is developing marketing plan for Public Bank Berhad. These are all our group members from Group 3. According to the sequences from left to right, they are Jiahong, Saihin, Katian, Zhixing, Bichuan, Chunkiet, Jiaming, Junhong, Yao Wei, and me, Shini. Public Bank Berhad, codenamed as PBB, is the third largest banking group in Malaysia. PBB has the mission of sustaining its position as Malaysia's most efficient, successful, and recognized leading financial institution. Since 1966, Public Bank has offered different products and services, from commercial banking and Islamic banking to managing unit trust funds and share broking. Aligned with its shared visions such as "We are the bank for the people," the bank actively pursued its commitment to serving the diverse needs of the society. Public Bank seeks to provide outstanding service to its customers while also prioritizing staff well-being through attractive remuneration and offering employees development opportunity through comprehensive training. To meet shareholders' expectation, the bank intends to solidify its position as a stable and progressive financial institution in order to generate profits and provide a reasonable return to investors. Moreover, Public Bank showcases its dedications to the community by embracing a socially responsible corporate role through tangible actions.
My name is Isahi, my metric number is 285369. So today I would like to talk about the best for Public Bank. First are the politic factors. Public Bank need to be aware of the changes in policies because the election will be organized every 5 years in Malaysia and the policy might be changed along with the new government. Then, the Public Bank should be aware of the country's stability because if the countries where it expands the branches will be affected by the instability there. Next, the inflation rate is one of the economic factors that will affect public banks. The movement of the inflation rate will affect the public bank profits since it will increase the cost of businesses including banks during the rise of the inflation rate. Besides that, the economic stability in Malaysia is considered stable and expected to grow in the futures. Public banks can benefit from the economic growth of Malaysia. Then, one of the social factors is demographic in Malaysia. Malaysia is a developing country which will benefit the banking sectors, and Public Bank can take advantage of this opportunity to cater to a wider range of customers. Next, the rise in the usage of social media is an opportunity for Public Bank to promote its financial products and services to a wider range of customers all around the world. Next is technology factors. The advancement of mobile technology increased the expectation of the customer in using banking apps, and Public Bank should upgrade the functions of their banking apps to maintain their place in the competitions among other competitors. Then, one of the legal factors is environmental laws. Public banks should keep themselves updated with the changes in environmental laws and policies to avoid any penalties, fines, and imprisonments. After that, climate change and natural disasters are the environmental factors that will affect public banks. It will affect the normal operations and performance of businesses, including Public Bank, because it expanded its presence in Malaysia and Thailand, which are the countries that tend to be affected by floods. Moreover, the Malaysian national government now has actual targets to meet in accordance with the Paris Climate Agreements, and this will lead to a closer examinations of the Public Bank environmental standard in Malaysia.
And next, we will see the SWOT analysis of PPB from this four-quadrant diagram. First, one of the Public Bank's Berhad strengths is their comprehensive and diverse portfolios of products and service offerings, which has allowed the group to penetrate several customer segments. Then, the bank has a track record of innovation. Besides, the bank has created a strong market presence through its broad dealer and partner network. Now, let's see from the flip side. PBB faces certain weaknesses that warrant consideration. One weakness lies in the low loyalty level of suppliers. Then, the PBB affronts a great concern with a high turnover of employees at the lower levels. Lastly, due to the rapid economic growth dynamic, companies like PBB, which has traditionally relied on niche markets and local monopolies, face issues such as lasers for exploitations are diminishing quickly. Luckily, PBB has several opportunities that can contribute to its growth. By fostering local collaboration, the bank can make use of the partner's local experience while bringing execution capabilities to the table. Apart from that, as the online users are expanding promptly in this era of digitalization, PBB will have the chance to innovate and introduce new products or services that will assist clients in meeting their financial objectives. Oppositely, PBB do need to face several external threats. In particular, changes in OPR can influence the PBB lending operation. If the OPR increases, borrowing money becomes more costly, resulting in a higher bank interest rates and leading to a decline in loan demand. For the time being, PBB also faces increasing competitors from the alternative financing institution, especially mutual fund and insurance companies. In such an event, PBB must modify its business approach so as to retain younger customers.
Good day to total. My name is Ng Yao Wei and my metric number is 286836. Now I will introduce about the public bank new product which is the PBWise. Basically, PBWise is a personal finance management apps. It gives users the knowledge and resources they need to manage their money, create and meet objectives, and make a wise choice. Now I will talk about the marketing objective of PBWise. So the first objective is to increase PBWise app download by 30% within the first quarter of the launch, aiming for a specific number of 80,000 users installation in Malaysia. The second one is to raise awareness about the benefit of using the PBWise app and ensure that 70% of the target audience understand its features and advantages over competing apps. The last one is to obtain a minimum average user rating of 4 stars on App Store and Google Play Store, and encourage users to leave positive reviews highlighting the app's effectiveness and user-friendly interface. We'll talk about the promotion of PBWise using the marketing strategies such as segmentation, targeting, and positioning to achieve our business goal. So the first one is demographic segmentations. We separate the age group into 3 groups, which are the young professionals, established professionals, seniors, and retirees. Therefore, the PBY system will generate a budget suitable for each age group for the user to monitor their spending behavior. The second one is behavioral segmentations. We categorizing users based on how they interact with and utilize the PBWise app into regular users and occasional users. We will highlight advanced features and update through push notification and offer loyalty program or exclusive perk for consistent users. The last one is geographic segmentations. We craft educational content for the apps that includes financial guidance pertinent to particular geographic context and modify marketing messaging to speak to the unique financial needs and difficulties that each region face. That's all from me. Thank you.
The next marketing strategy is the targeting. In this stage, the public bank is needed to select a segment to be focused based on 3 aspects, which is the size, profitability, and reachability. In this section, we suggested that public bank shall target the demographic segment with the following reason. The first one is the size. The size for the demographic segmentation is considered wider than the behavioral segmentation and geographic segmentation. Demographic segmentation has a large market size since it segmentises the base on the age group. Hence, the PBWise is able to approach all the age categories based on the each group's need. The second one is the profitability. The established professionals will be willing to spend more in managing their finance since they are searching for the maximum growth in the stage with a higher income compared to other groups. Besides, the senior and retirees will seek for help in their financial management too since they are preparing for retirement. Hence, these 2 groups are targeted to use the PBWise more and hence giving the public bank more profit. The last one is the reachability. Each group still needs to be approached by using different marketing channels, but is still considered easier compared to the geographic segmentation. The final step in marketing strategy is the positioning, which means how we're going to show the product value to targeted segments, which is demographic segmentation. In this step, we will mainly focusing on the 3 aspects, which is the functionals, symbolic, and experimentals. For the group of young professionals, the PBWise is used as a tool to help the young professional which have lower income to start building their financial foundation, which mainly focusing on guiding the users in preparing budgeting, managing their savings, and such as some financial planning. The apps also symbolize the career development and the journey to reach the financial independence in this group. The PBWise will also provide a more education and experience for the young professional who will still lack of knowledge regarding the financial planning. For the group of established professionals, the PBWise will provide a more advanced financial features such as investment planning, family finance management, since this group is having a high income, a risk takers, and aiming to maximize their income. The PBWise also symbolizes the higher risk investment management. The PBWise will also provide a more advanced and sophisticated experience for the established professionals by providing a more advanced investment tools for their investment management and suggestions for their family finance management. For the group of seniors and retirees, the PBWise will position itself as a retirement planning tool which provides suggestions for the retirement planning, managing the pensions and avoiding a high-risk investment since they are considered as risk-averse. The PBWise symbolizes a low-risk and effective retirement planning, and the PBWise will provide a more safe and user-friendly experience for the seniors and retirees since this group is assumed not familiar in using the online stuff. Besides, it will mainly focusing on how to manage their pensions and provide them a clear and easy access to retirement planning with a lower risk.
Good day, everyone. My name is Yap Jun Hong, metric number 286732. Now I will proceed with sharing public bank's marketing mix strategy for PBWise. The first strategy is product strategy. In the world of financial service, We recognize the value of both core and supplementary product. PB-wise, our innovative apps stand out with real-time spending tracking, saving objective, and also investment tracking. This product can function as a core product for our new customer who do not yet have an account with us, as well as a supplemental service for our existing customer. Moving on to the pricing strategy, we carefully planned our strategy to meet with both customer expectation and company goal. PB-wise provide flexibility through a freemium model, subscription-based service, one-time purchase to meet different feature needs. This targeted pricing structure highlights PB-wise unique characteristic while also positioning it as a premium service in the market. Now I will hand to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Chong Hong, battery number 28459. Now I will talk about the play strategy. Public bank currently concentrate on employing mobile banking, which allow their customer get free installation of PBWise application through the Google Play Store or App Store. It provides full customer service about the new mobile application PBWise, both online and in face. Then, internet banking that allow their customer to visit their main web page to sign in and access the new financial services. Next, the first promotion strategy that public bank utilize is advertising. They analyze the market demand through the video or movie about wealth management and effectively deliver the main information from their website and social media platform. Private bank also employ personal selling strategy to inform their existing customer privately by deliver email and message. Furthermore, public relation that used by private bank is to give talks at high school and local university to inform them the consequence of excessive unnecessary expenditure and the solution with their service PB-wise. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Gong Tian with matric number 285140. Now I'm going to explain about the digital marketing of 4 Ps and 4 Cs. The 4 Ps and 4 Cs of marketing are among the most basic frameworks. It offers a comprehensive approach for identifying the consumer value proposition and marketing mix. 4 Ps consist of product, price, place, and promotion, while the 4 Cs consist of cooperation, currency, communal activation, and also conversation. First, I'm going to explain about the product to cooperation. PBY signifies that the application is able to better reflect the requirements and also preference of the users by including them in the cooperation process, which might bring important insights and also opinions. The first one is the user-driven feature request. Functions as a central location for users to express their requirements, provide new features, and also make upgrade suggestions. The second one is the social media engagement. The business uses various platforms to provide news, financial advice, and also relevant resources to their audience. The third one is the collaborative with the seminars and also webinars. PBWise offers interactive seminars and webinars to the users so that they can get in touch with the development team in real time. Next is the price to currency. PBWise is able to add or improve capabilities to let users manage and track their money in several currency. First one is the multi-currency tracking. The user is able to track the value of their investment and debts in several currency by using the PBWise real-time updates on their currency account balance. Second one is the educational module on managing currency. PBS offers interactive lessons to address a few aspects on managing the currency using the app. For example, the app includes advice on how to maximize the value of foreign transactions. The last one is the currency conversion insights. PBWise provides opinions and insight on the currency conversion by assisting the consumers to optimize the ideal use of the currency transaction by informing them the advantages of the exchange rates and also the possible cost reduction. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Yap Zixi. My matric number is 285516. Now I will present about 7.3, which is place to communicate activations. Public bank leverage partnership through peer-to-peer distribution channel that plan to launch for PBWise via collaborations with Google Play, cross-border QR payment, as well as digital form for higher purchase loans. The first is Google Play. PBWise integrate with Google Play API, which allows users to link their Google Play accounts to the PBWise apps to facilitate their transaction and also transfers. The second is cross-border QR payment, which also called PadNet system. With collaborating with PadNet, PBWise apps users can cross-border QR code payment between other countries. The third is digital form for higher purchase HP loans. Is a user-friendly digital form for within the PBWise apps to facilitate higher purchase loan applications. It can ensure users understand their likelihood of approval loans before formally applying. Now is 7.4, which is promotion to conversations. It is the traditional one-way promotion messages towards more interactive two-way communication strategies. Public Bank has conducted a few of different surveys such as one-stop contacts, center, PBY's app service, and also customer service to address area of improvement of gap in service quantity to build a relationship with customer and understand their preference. First is one-stop contact center. It is a consolidate all of the call center number to only one single contact to better serve its customer. The second is PBY's app survey. PBY app survey is to gather the feedback for a user to help it understand their experiences and perceptions of the apps. The third is customer service is the survey question A via its mobile applications and internal banking, which is aimed to specific aspect of improvements.
Good day, doctor. My name is Lujami and my manager's number is 2866674. So now I'm going to talk about the content marketing and evaluation. The first step is goal setting. Public bank need to set clear and measurable goals that align with its overall business objective. This include enhancing brand awareness, increasing customer engagement, promoting financial literacy, and driving conversions. Establishing SMART goal can ensure that the content strategy has a clear direction and purpose. So a goal setting provides a framework for the entire content marketing strategies and help measure success. So the second step is audience mapping. Understanding the target audience is crucial for the success content marketing strategies. To achieve this, Public Bank should conduct various marketing research, utilizing existing customer data and competitors analysis to create detailed buyers personalities that represent different segments of its customer base. By mapping its audience, Public Bank can tailor its content to meet the specific needs and interests of its customer segment, ensuring the content resonates and drives stronger connections and engagement. So Public Bank should also identify its audience geography, demography, psychography, and behavioral characteristics to better convey its narratives through marketing effort. Next, the third step is content ideation and planning. For Public Bank, this involves brainstorming topics such as bank tips, financial planning advice, and so on. The content should meet established goals and cater to the targeted audience. To achieve this, Public Bank can also use blog posting, infographic, videos, webinars, and social media contents. Besides, Public Bank may also incorporate user-generated content, context, or financial experts interviews for creativity and trustworthiness. The fourth step is content creations. Public Bank may now focus on creating high quality and valuable materials like blog posts, videos, infographic, and more after having a clear plan. This content must not only reflect the bank brands but also address the financial needs and concerns of its audience. Public Bank may work with financial professionals or celebrities to enhance its credibility. Adding element of storytelling can also make the materials more relatable and interesting for the audience. This involves hiring editors or designers who can create professional content that reflect the bank brand's image. That's all for me. Thank you.
Good day, doctor. My name is Sabijan, metric number 285654. Next, content distribution is a key for PBY's online presence and audience engagement. They can utilize on channels like website and social media for diverse content sharing. Next, collaboration with financial influencers on earned channel like YouTube expand reach and enhance customer experiences. Moreover, paid advertising on search engines and social media such as Google boosts visibility effectively. Public Banks aims to establish PBYs as a trusted app in the financial sector and promote it for the long-term success. Next, content amplification for PBYs involve distributing content to a larger audience through online platforms and channels. Techniques like online advertising, influencer partnership, and email marketing are key strategies. Understanding audience preferences through interview and surveys is crucial. They can allocate a budget for paid promotion on LinkedIn and Facebook, starting with a small few steps and adjusting based on result. Next, engaging key influencer in the target audience can boost content visibility and virality. They must ensure the material aligns with influencer personal brands and professional growth to increase the likelihood of them sharing and promoting it to their followers. Next, content marketing success for PBYs is measured through quantitative and qualitative metrics. Key indicator includes organic search traffic, views, click-through rates, and social shares. The strategy effectiveness in achieving sales and brands goals necessitate a thorough review of metrics across categories. Page view per visitor, bounce rate, and time on the app gauge content visibility, while interest is measured by relevant data like page view and time on site. Search indicator and call to action conversion rate assess content discoverability and user motivation. Social media metrics like share ratio and engagement rate reveals content virality, and regularly evaluating this metric ensure PBY's content strategy aligns with user preferences and driving continuous improvement. Next, to elevate PBY's content marketing, they must regularly diversify formats such as visual and videos format to suit various learning preferences. Integrate a user feedback system for valuable insights allowing adjustments based on market trends. They also can keep content updated to ensure ongoing relevance and engagement with evolving client preferences. This proactive approach ensures that PBY's material remains compelling and resonates effectively in the dynamic market landscape. That's all for me. Thank you.